We've used Anker products for a number of different things over the course of time, and I saw this battery pack. I was like, oh, we need to get that, open it up, test it out, see how it works. Because this one in particular holds a huge amount of power. 20,000 mega milliwatts, however they measure it. And the bottom line is this device, if you're on a trip, you're on vacation, you're traveling, this will charge your iPhone over 4 times. Let's see what else is in here. I think there's supposed to be a case and a charging cable. Both of those are in here. Case is a nice soft case. Charging cable is a micro USB cable, but you can also charge the device with a USB-C charger. There are 2 USB plugs to charge your device. The USB-C is only for charging this. There's no power out in the USB-C. As you know, Nikki and I are world travelers. We have spent so many hours on airplanes, and there are so many times where I would have loved to have this amount of power to recharge our devices. Okay, so just to go over some of the features again, this button is your on and off. It also has these blue LED lights which let you know how much of a charge there are. They light up all around it, as you'll see right now. They're only 2 charged because we've been using it. On the side here, these are the 2 charging stations where you plug your USB in to charge. It's a super fast charge. These 2, the micro USB and the USB-C, are only for charging the device itself. You can't plug the USB-C into your phone or computer. You got to use a converter and one of these other conventional USB plugs.